Hello, this video is about sets, the union and the intersection of sets, and finding the elements that are in unions or intersections. So in this video, I will now combine the method of numbering the regions in a Venn diagram. Please watch the previous videos, which is about only the numbering and finding the unions and the intersections to shade. I will combine that method with an actual example, which means a Venn diagram where we have the universal set as well as subsets. So in this case, it is 2. So as I explained in the previous video, before you even going to look at your questions, when you have a Venn diagram, you will start numbering the regions. Okay, and I'm going to do that quite fast because it is explained in 2 more videos. The universal set, everything outside the subsets, we make number 1. Then in this case, set R without the overlap is 2. Then the overlap of R and S is region 3. And lastly, the subset S without the overlap is region 4. And remember, for any Venn diagram with 2 sets, you will always label region 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, now if we look at the question, they say you must use the information in the Venn diagram to copy and complete the following. Okay, first one is R intersection S. Okay, now I taught you, you start with the first set, okay, and you write down the regions of R, okay. So look at R. R is region 2 and 3, right? That is done. Then you go to your second set, which is S, okay, and S is region 3 and 4. Region 3 and 4. This is important now that you realize that we write down the regions. Okay, then we set an intersection, which is in this case, the intersection is an and. Okay, so now if we write down R intersection S, R intersection S, you must look at which region is in R and in S, and that is only region 3. So R intersection S is region 3. Okay, but now because we've got elements in the sets, you must write down the elements of region 3. That is your final answer. Look there, there are the curly brackets. Okay, so R intersection S, which are the elements? Go to region 3. Region 3 is the blue part, and in region 3 we've got I and J. So your elements are I and J. Okay, so now the previous video has taken you only up to which region, and then we shaded that region. But now they are asking you to actually complete this. So you must write the set of R intersection S, which means now you must write the elements. Okay, and the elements are the ones that are given in the Venn diagram. Now, if we look at Roman 2, which is R complement union S. Again, we are starting with the first one. Because it's a complement, I told you, first write R. Okay, so let's write R. We got that one up here. It's 2 and 3. But they are asking you for R complement. So R complement is not 2 and not 3. So what else is there except 2 and 3? There is 1 and 4. Okay, if it's not 2 and not 3, then it is only 1 and 4. And because your question is about complement, you can now cancel R, but you're not using that. Then we're going to the second one, which is S. Okay, and we already got S here. S is 3 and 4. Right, and now you go to your question, which is R complement union S. And remember, union is or all together. So which regions are in R complement together with S? So if you look at that, we've got the 1, we've got the 3, and we've got the 4. Okay, so once again, important, this is the regions, okay, which represent R complement union S. But now look there again, they are asking you to actually write down the elements, okay? There are curly brackets. So let's write down the elements of R complement union S. You must simply go to region 1, okay? Go to region 1. What is in region 1? In region 1 is M and N. So curly brackets, M and N. Then you go to region 3. Okay, what is region 3? Region 3 is I and J. So you simply add that. Okay, and then we still have region 4. Go to region 4. Region 4 has K. Okay, so we must still add K. And then you close your curly brackets. All right. Then if we look at Roman 3 is in R intersection S complement. Okay? N stands for number of elements. So what is the number of elements in R intersection S complement? Okay? So let's do R intersection S complement. Okay, I will start the whole process again, although we could go here, okay, and complement is everything that is not 3, so that would be 1, 2, and 4, okay, 1, 2, and 4. But let's just go this one step by step again, just for you to practice. So we are starting with the first set, R. So let's look at R. R is 2 and 3. So R is 2 and 3. Then we go to the second set. Okay, let's write down S. So S is 3 and 4. Okay, now you must find the intersection of R intersection S, which is the ones that are in R and in S. And again, we see that in R and in S, we only have region 3. Okay, but what they are asking is R intersection S complement. So that means everything that is not region 3. Go there. Not region 3 means region 1 and 2 and 4. Okay, so that's region 1 and 2 and 4. Okay, And now the question is to count the elements in this. So the number of elements in our intersection S complement. Okay, I'm going to take this again step by step. In region 1, let's see region 1. Okay, we've got 1, 2 elements. Okay, region 1 has 2 elements. Okay, then you must go to region 2, right? The region 2 has F, G, and H, which means region 2 has 3 elements. Okay, and then we still have region 4. So go to region 4. Region 4 has 1 element. Region 4 has 1 element. Okay. And now if you count the number of elements for all of these, then we've got 2 plus 3 plus 1, which is 6. Okay, so that is 6 elements altogether. So remember, a small n stands for number of elements, and you must just simply count the elements in the set that they are giving you, and in this case it is 6. All right, and then for the last question, use a set notation symbol to complete the statement FGH ... R. So go and look at subset R, okay, which is this whole one, okay, and they're giving you FGH, so F and G and H. But in R, people, we also got I and J, okay, so F and G and H is just simply a proper subset, okay. I and J is a subset, F, G, and H is a subset, and R is F, G, H, I, and J. If you don't know this, you must just simply learn your set notation symbols, okay? And a proper subset is like an elongated C. Okay. Yes, I will post a few more videos on more examples of this.